Alright guys, so I'm going to be installing the T-Design Nurburgring Cup Holder into my 718 GTS. I've got the instructions here on my screen. Just wanted to do a quick little show you the product and what came in the package. Got the ring that actually will hold the cups and the mounting bracket, and there is a little bit of felt that we will put on. I'll show it on the screen here real quick, that we're going to put right there on the interior trim piece. I'm pretty sure that's to ensure that this piece right here, if it rubs, it won't damage the interior piece. So just real quick, we've got the actual cup holder, mounting bracket, and the little felt piece that goes on. So I'm going to go put it in the car right now. All right, so we are going to be putting this mounting plate somewhere in around here. This will mount to this. So to get started, first thing we need to do is get this panel off. Open your glove compartment, take your fingers, get underneath the panel, and it pops right off. When you get to the front, lift up, pull back, and it's going to be that bolt or screw right there. It's a T20 Torx. Comes off really easy. All right. Put that back in there. And mounting is done. All right. Got this piece right here. And let's see here. It's going to be about where? Excellent. So that side is being stubborn. Come on now. Okay, so our little protection piece here is going to go right about there. Right there. Now, we just got to put this thing back on. One thing I want to call out is make sure that this piece right here has the ability to go through that hole right there. So now let's get this put back in reverse order, kind of come in at an angle. Get that piece in there, right there. Almost got it. There we go. Nice little. Okay, so mounted. Now we got to put the actual cup holder on. So going to take these out. Real quick. Yeah. Put this on. And that's it. Position for when you want to be using the cup holder. One of the things that I liked about this when I was doing the research on it is if I don't need it, bring this over here like this, tighten that down a little bit, and it's not going anywhere. It doesn't interfere with my PDK handle. If you have a manual, I believe you just bring it a little more over this way, so that way you can shift accordingly. So let's put it back in position for the cup, and I'm gonna go get my favorite coffee mug. All right, so favorite coffee mug, bam, right there. Absolutely fantastic, love it. One of the main reasons why I bought this is because on the factory one, it comes, that's okay. I don't like the fact that this can move. Not knocking this design by any means. I absolutely love this thing. So, I just wanted something that was a little more sturdy for my my coffee mug for my commute to and from work. So, there it is. That's how easy it was to install this thing. Check back for more content I got coming. Hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll talk to you guys later.